Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be going to solve Excel macro related problem. So, here is the issue you can find on the screen. The macro may not be available in this workbook or all macro may be disabled. Okay, so let's get start. Just press the OK button and go to the File menu at the top. Below you can see the Option menu. A dialog box will be open to your screen. Check Trust Center of this dialog box and click the Trust Center setting button. Now click the Macro Settings button and enable all macro by clicking this radio button. Also check the box Trust Access of the VBA project and simply click OK. Let's save the project and try again. Oops, it's not working. Don't worry, we will solve it. Close the project and go the file location. Simply go to the file properties by right-click. Here you can see a checkbox named Unblock. Just check the box and click Apply. Now reopen the Excel file. Your problem is solved now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find any problem, just write down the comments section and be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.